Okay. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Bella, and today I want to talk about how artificial intelligence is changing the role of pharmacists and what it means in the future of healthcare. Okay. Imagine walking into the pharmacist and seeing robots instead of human pharmacists. How did you feel?
Amazed.
Amazed.
A little bit weird.
Yeah, weird.
Yes.
Yes, thank you for answering. Yes, AI is transforming nearly every aspect of our lives, from education to transportation, and healthcare is no exception. AI is mentioned of one of the most professions at risk of automation. As AI keep developing, the future prospects of pharmacy um, are uncertain, and their role could be reshaped or even replaced. So let's begin by looking at one of the most obvious way AI is changing the pharmacy. It is medication dispensing. Actually, in the past, this is the major responsibility for pharmacists. Today, automated machine can handle this task, which reduces the need for the human pharmacist. Of course, pharmacists check patient condition and decide which medicine are suitable for them. Yet, in terms of efficiency, the owner of a pharmacy program information about the medicine into machine so that people no longer need to study pharmacy in the university. Beyond efficiency, cost play vital role. Pharmacists require extensive education, specialized training, making their salary high. On the other hand, although installing AI system could be expensive at first, their long-term maintenance costs are low, and they can perform large volume of tasks, making them more cost-effective in the long run. In addition to cost saving, AI is transforming prescription review. Naturally, people make more mistakes than machine, but medicine is directly related to our health, so accuracy is essential. According to Pharmacy Mentor, detecting potential mistakes is becoming harder. There are so many prescriptions to be handled, but the modern pharmacology is increasingly complex, even for the highly trained pharmacist. Prescription errors are the major concern in healthcare and can cause serious harm to patients. The World Health Organization in Global Patient Safety Challenge reported that medication errors is one of the most dangerous factors in healthcare system worldwide, including the UK, who also reported that medication errors continue to contribute to morbidity and mortality despite being largely preventable. This shows that AI play vital role in improving patient safety. However, despite disadvantages, some people argue that pharmacists can be fully replaced due to human interaction and responsibilities in healthcare. Pharmacists not only dispense medicine but also communicate with patients, provide counseling, and also help them understand how to use drugs safely. Empathy, reassurance, and ability to adjust explanations based on a patient condition and their cultural background are uniquely human qualities that AI cannot fully reproduce. Moreover, pharmacists have a professional responsibility for decisions. Unlike AI, which only follow algorithms, pharmacists have ethical decisions and are held accountable when unexpected accidents arise. Although these are the strong points, it is important to recognize that AI is rapidly improving in natural language processing and emotional recognition. This development allow AI to imitate empathy and provide consolation that feel more personal to patients. As a technology keeps progressing, the gap between AI and the human pharmacist will diminish, and the human involvement in the healthcare system may reduce. To sum up, AI abilities to automate dispensing, review prescription with high accuracy, and provide reliable drug information to patients shows that pharmacists can be replaced into AI. As technology keeps advancing, healthcare systems should integrate AI as a major solution to improve cost effectiveness, efficiency, and patient safety. Thank you.